Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. I'm Poe, and today we're tackling a huge question I get all the time: how to learn a foreign language very fast. Now, fast is a cool word, right? We all want things quickly, but learning a language isn't magic. It takes effort, but there are definitely ways to learn smarter and faster. And that's what we're going to talk about today. This is for all you amazing learners out there who are ready to zoom ahead. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1, set a really clear goal. Why are you learning this language? For a holiday? To talk to family? For a new job? Knowing your why is super important. It's like your destination on a map. If you just say, I want to learn Spanish, that's okay. But if you say, I want to learn enough Spanish to order food and ask for directions on my trip to Mexico in 3 months, bam! That's a clear goal. It helps you focus and feel motivated. So grab a notebook and write down your goal right now. Pause the video if you need to. Tip number 2, immerse yourself like a language bath. Okay, you don't actually need to take a bath in books, but you need to surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Think about it. How did you learn your first language? By hearing it and using it all the time. So how can you do this? Change your phone language. Listen to music in the language. Watch TV shows or movies with subtitles. Label things in your house. It's about making the language a normal part of your day. Little by little, it adds up big time. Tip number 3, focus on high-frequency words and phrases. You don't need to know every word to communicate. Really, focus on learning the most common words and phrases first. These are your power words. Things like hello, goodbye, please, thank you, yes, no, maybe, I want, I need, I like, where is, how much is. If you learn the top 100, 200, or even 500 most common words and basic phrases, you'll be surprised how much you can understand and say. Tip number 4, speak from day 1. Don't be shy, guys. This is a big one. Many learners wait until they feel perfect before they speak. Guess what? Perfect never comes. The best way to get better at speaking is to speak. How can you do this? Talk to yourself. Find a language partner. Use language learning apps with speaking practice. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. Tip number 5, review, review, review. Make it stick. You learn something new, great. But if you don't review it, your brain will think, maybe that wasn't important, and it will disappear. How to review. Use spaced repetition systems, SRS. Quick daily reviews. Use new words or phrases in sentences. Consistent review is the secret to moving vocabulary from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. That's where you want it. So, there you have it. My top 5 tips to learn a foreign language very fast. Let's recap quickly. 1, set a really clear goal. 2, immerse yourself. 3, focus on high-frequency words and phrases. 4, speak from day 1. 5, review, review, review. Remember, fast doesn't mean no effort. It means being smart, consistent, and having fun with it. Learning a language is an amazing journey. It opens up new worlds, new friendships, and new opportunities. You can do this. I believe in you. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.